Looking to upgrade your car's audio system? Meet Sony's Xav-Ax3700, a sleek, powerful multimedia receiver built to modernize your ride. In this video, we'll cover everything you need to know about it, from its features and performance to real-world feedback. Okay, let's dive in. Hey, what's up? Josh here from Breaker Stereo on Performance. Welcome to our channel that reviews all the best in car audio, performance, suspension, and more, because we don't drive stock. And if you're like us, where stock just doesn't cut it, make sure to subscribe to this channel. Now, the Sony Xav-Ax3700 features a vibrant 6.95-inch anti-glare touchscreen, giving you crisp visibility whether you're driving at high noon or cruising at sunset. The resistive screen is designed for durability and easy control, with a clear layout that makes it simple to navigate through menus, apps, and settings. Now, unlike many competitors, the Xav-Ax3700 also includes essential physical buttons along the bottom, allowing you to quickly adjust the volume, access the home button, and skip tracks without taking your eyes off the road. It's a perfect blend of touchscreen convenience and tactile control. Connectivity is where this radio truly shines. It's fully compatible with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, letting you access your favorite apps, navigation, music, and even Siri and Google Voice, all without fumbling for your phone. Pairing your device via Bluetooth is fast and reliable, offering crystal clear, hands-free calling and smooth music streaming. But it doesn't stop there. This radio also works with iData-Link Maestro, meaning you can retain your vehicle's factory features like steering wheel controls, climate settings, and even vehicle information displays, depending on your car model. Now, everything feels seamless, like it was built right into your car from the factory. Audio lovers, listen up. This unit is no slouch when it comes to sound quality. You get a powerful 55 watts times 4 built-in amplifier, and if you're looking to add amplifiers, this radio has 3 sets of pre-outs, front, rear, and sub at 2 volts. Plus a 14-band graphic EQ to fine-tune your music exactly how you like it. Now, whether you're into hip-hop, rock, EDM, or classical, you can tailor every frequency to match your tastes. This Sony radio also supports high-res audio files, including FLAC, WAV, and even DSD formats. So your music sounds richer, deeper, and more dynamic. Combined with Sony's digital sound processing and time alignment, the listening experience feels immersed, almost like you're sitting center stage. Now, the Xav-Ax3700 comes packed with thoughtful extras to make everyday driving easier. It supports a rear view camera input, giving you the option to add a backup camera for safer parking and reversing. You can even customize the parking guidelines to match your specific vehicle for greater accuracy. And thanks to Sony's wake-up feature, the system is ready for action seconds after you turn the key. No more waiting around for your head unit to boot up. These small quality of life features really add up when you're on the road every day. Real-world feedback has been overwhelmingly positive. Users love how responsive the interface feels and how easy it is to navigate through the apps while driving. Overall, for this price point and feature set, most agree that the Xav-Ax3700 offers tremendous value. Okay, pros and cons, starting with the pros. Of course, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto support, a responsive touchscreen, and a clean, minimal interface. Good sound customization, iData-Link Maestro compatible, and of course, affordability. And the cons include no wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and the low voltage on the RCA pre-outs, only 2 volts. So is the Sony Xav-Ax3700 worth it? For around $350, you're getting a sleek touchscreen display, full Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration, Bluetooth connectivity, customizable audio controls, and factory feature retention through the iData-Link Maestro. So I would say yes. This is a fantastic upgrade for anyone looking to bring their car's entertainment system into the modern age without breaking the bank. Okay, if you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more in-depth tech breakdowns. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.